you know how SpongeBob performs surgery on his patients? He literally empties out all the broken bones inside a patient, then stuffs an entirely new skeleton back in, and somehow the patient makes a full, miraculous recovery. One day, SpongeBob went to the hospital as a volunteer. A nurse gave him a uniform, but SpongeBob ended up eating the stripes. Right then, two doctors saw SpongeBob in a white coat and mistook him for a real doctor, so they brought him along to see patients. The first patient had a sore throat. The two doctors were about to prescribe painkillers, but SpongeBob said he had a solution. He plucked a feather off a chicken and started tickling the patient's foot. The doctors were completely stunned. The second patient had a severe, crushed foot, yet wanted to run a marathon the next day. The doctors said it was impossible, but SpongeBob instantly came up with an idea. He grabbed a fish skeleton, dumped out all the bones inside the patient, then forcefully shoved the fish skeleton inside. Miraculously, patient recovered on the spot. Even the doctors were shocked by SpongeBob's treatment. Meanwhile, Squidward was in the operating room enjoying a massage when SpongeBob suddenly showed up in full surgical gear. Squidward nearly jumped out of his skin when he saw him. Just as Squidward was about to question SpongeBob, the nurse injected him with anesthesia. It turned out SpongeBob's medical talent had spread across the hospital, drawing a crowd of doctors eager to watch him operate. SpongeBob confidently picked the surgical tool that felt most natural to him. As the operation began, SpongeBob grew nervous.
I'll take that.
But soon, he started treating the surgery like he was cooking, and within seconds, octopus sushi and octopus burgers were being served. Suddenly, SpongeBob snapped back to reality, realizing he was in surgery. He steadied himself and tried to focus, while the nurses wiped sweat from his forehead over and over. When the surgery was done, Squidward groggily woke up and saw his nose swollen into a giant lump. He shouted in fury that was not what he wanted. Just as he was about to protest, another dose of anesthesia went in. When Squidward woke up again, his nose began morphing wildly, and finally,
No!
he ended up with the perfect nose he always dreamed of. The downside? SpongeBob had removed all of his internal organs to make it happen.